Yo, YouTube. Peace. What's going on, family? We here coming back at you with another banger. I'm out here in these YouTube streets. Make sure you hit that notification bell so we could keep you entertained and on time when we drop this content. So today I want to talk about the video that I made last week or a week and a day. It says I have 540 subscribers and 540 videos on YouTube. For every sub, I'll do a video. And that was my promise to you all. And I meant that. But I didn't mean for so many to go and subscribe, which is a good thing. I'm happy about it. Trust me, so fast. So now I was at 540 only a week and a day ago. You see that video, right? And now here, when I refresh my studios, I'm at 648. So that's over 10 subs a day, almost 15. Now we're growing very rapidly here, and I just wanted to, thank you guys for the support, and we're gonna try to attempt to actually do what I said, but I didn't know I would grow and it would grow so fast to the point where I can't even catch up no more, man. Like, this is why I'm teaching these classes and showing you how to use your skills and your personality and, your environment to, create messages and content out here for your audience and to get better and better as you go. So please make sure you subscribe now, follow, hit that like button, share, comment, because we couldn't do it without God. Jesus has us all. Thank you so much.